Hi, I brought this Elite Gourmet toaster oven from Amazon. As you can see, it is small. You have to be very careful. This bottom part right here, it turns on the timer. It only goes to 15 minutes. The top part tells you the degrees and the toaster. It comes with 2 parts and a little instruction booklet. This is one of the things that come with it. You open it here, and there's the other little rack that is in there. I don't suggest buying this if you have small children, unless you keep it out of their reach, because the top is very hard, and you don't want to put it in a place where it gets close to curtains or next to a bed. It is actually what it says: 2 slices of toast and a very small pan to cook in. You can only put a slice of pizza or bagel rolls on there. But, you know, it gets the job done. It's okay. I probably would have brought something bigger. But this is what we get. You have a good day.
This is a great little toaster oven. It's not really big and it's lightweight, but it does the job. It's got the temperature control here. See, I put it up here to toast, and then I put it just a little past this mark here when I want to toast. And I take this out. It heats up really quickly. I'm not sure if I think the heat's on both the top and the bottom, actually. And it's, you know, about this. It has the 2 pieces of normal bread to get in there. Not real big. Perfect for me. Not that deep. Just perfect. And then you can just, it gets nice and hot, and then nice little ding. Works great for 1 person or 2 pieces of toast, and it's just perfect for me.
It's Elite Gourmet. It's a great small oven for my truck with my inverter. It's 650 watts. You have the temperature and timer here for the cooking time. Inside you have the cooking plate. You have the grill. If you take a slice of bread, it's fit well inside. It's a good project.
Okay, so on first use it says to turn it on for 15 minutes on the high setting to, I guess, cook off that new toaster smell. And my toaster is making quite a bit of, I hope it doesn't catch on fire. Let's see, hopefully this is normal and I don't have to get the fire extinguisher out.
I got my Alabama program, I have my Louisiana program, but the problem is I gotta have my program to get there. It could take as long as 3 days. I can go as far as the state line, and I can't go any farther until I get that Mississippi permit. I can't just drive around Mississippi. Big problem if I don't get that. This is ugly.
Ah, okay, so no. Grazie.